Hello everyone, today I am going to show you top 5 best cameras for beginners in 2024 based on specifications. All the product buying links are given in the video description, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for my new videos notification. Number 5. Introducing the Sony A7 IV, a cutting-edge mirrorless camera designed to exceed professional photographers' expectations. Combining advanced technology with exceptional image quality, this camera is the perfect tool for capturing stunning moments with unparalleled precision. Equipped with a full-frame 33-megapixel Exmor RCMOS sensor, the Sony A7 IV delivers exceptional resolution and dynamic range, ensuring every shot is rich in detail and clarity. The BIONZ XR image processing engine further enhances image quality, producing true-to-life colors and reducing noise even in challenging lighting conditions. Featuring an impressive autofocus system, the Sony A7 IV brings your subjects into sharp focus effortlessly. Its 759 phase detection AF points cover 92% of the image sensor, allowing for precise tracking of fast-moving subjects. With real-time IAF and animal IAF, you can capture portraits and wildlife shots with unparalleled accuracy and sharpness. The Sony A7 IV boasts an impressive ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable to 50 to 200 and 4,800, allowing for remarkable low-light performance and incredible flexibility in various shooting environments. Combined with the 5-axis in-body image stabilization, this camera ensures steady shots, even in challenging situations, eliminating the need for a tripod in many cases. This camera is not only a powerhouse for still photography, but also excels in video recording. With the ability to shoot 4K UHD footage at up to 120 fps, you can capture breathtaking cinematic moments. Number 4. Introducing the Sony A6700, an advanced mirrorless camera designed to meet the needs of professional photographers and videographers. With its cutting-edge features and exceptional image quality, this camera empowers you to capture your vision with absolute precision and creativity. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, the Sony A6700 delivers stunningly detailed and vibrant images, even in low-light conditions. Combined with the powerful BIONZ image processor, this camera ensures speedy performance and excellent noise reduction, allowing you to push the boundaries of your photography. Equipped with an advanced 4D focus system consisting of 425 phase detection AF points and 425 contrast detection AF points, the A6700 enables swift and accurate autofocus tracking. Whether you're capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting in challenging environments, this camera ensures sharp and well-defined results. Video enthusiasts will appreciate the A6700's ability to record high-quality 4K videos with full pixel readout and no pixel binning. The camera's advanced image stabilization technology ensures steady footage, even when shooting handheld or in motion. Take advantage of the S-Log3 and 8LG hybrid log gamma profiles for expanded dynamic range and greater creative possibilities in post-production. The Sony A6700 offers a seamless shooting experience with its intuitive and customizable controls. The tiltable touchscreen LCD and high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder provide precise framing and enhanced visibility in any shooting situation. Number 3. Introducing the Fujifilm X-T5, a cutting-edge mirrorless camera designed to empower photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its sleek design and advanced features, this camera is set to revolutionize the way you capture and create stunning images. Equipped with a powerful 26.1 MP X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X-Processor 4 image processor, the X-T5 delivers exceptional image quality, rich colors, and impressive detail. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or action-packed moments, this camera ensures every shot is rendered with utmost clarity and precision. The X-T5 boasts an enhanced autofocus system with 425 phase detection points across the entire frame, offering lightning-fast and accurate subject tracking. Combined with its high-speed continuous shooting of up to 15 frames per second, you can effortlessly capture those fleeting moments with unmatched precision and reliability. Embrace your creativity with the X-T5's extensive film simulation modes, including the renowned Fujifilm Classic Chrome, Velvia, and Acros. These modes allow you to add a touch of nostalgia or create striking black and white images, bringing your artistic vision to life. Additionally, the X-T5 features a versatile 3.0-inch tilting touchscreen LCD, enabling intuitive operation and easy access to settings. Its robust weather-sealed construction ensures durability, making it the ideal companion for any shooting situation, even in challenging environments. Number 2. The Fujifilm X-H2S is a cutting-edge mirrorless camera that combines exceptional image quality with advanced features, making it the perfect tool for professional photographers and videographers alike. With its sleek and compact design, this camera is portable enough for any shooting situation, yet it packs a powerful punch when it comes to performance. Featuring an impressive 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, the X-H2S delivers breathtakingly sharp and detailed images. This sensor, combined with the X-Processor 4 image processing engine, ensures outstanding color accuracy and low-light performance, allowing you to capture stunning shots even in challenging lighting conditions. The X-H2S is equipped with Fujifilm's renowned X-Trans color filter array, which eliminates the need for an optical low-pass filter, resulting in sharper images with minimal moire and false colors. Additionally, the camera offers an expanded ISO range of up to 51,200, allowing you to confidently shoot in low-light situations without compromising image quality. When it comes to video capabilities, the X-H2S shines with its ability to record high-quality 4K UHD videos at up to 60 frames per second. With its advanced autofocus system and improved image stabilization, you can capture smooth and steady footage even while on the move. The camera also offers a variety of film simulation modes, including the beloved Classic Chrome and Acros, allowing you to add a unique artistic touch to your videos. Number 1. Introducing the Sony ZV-1, a revolutionary compact camera designed to redefine your vlogging and content creation experience. With unparalleled features and cutting-edge technology, this camera is a game-changer for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Sony ZV-1 boasts a 1-inch Exmor RS-CMOS sensor, delivering stunning 20.1 megapixel stills and jaw-dropping 4K Ultra HD videos. Capture every detail with exceptional clarity and vibrant colors, ensuring your content stands out from the crowd. Equipped with the Zeiss Varioson RT** lens, this camera offers a versatile focal length range of 24-70mm, combining wide-angle and portrait capabilities to perfectly capture any scene. Whether you're shooting landscapes, close-ups, or interviews, the ZV-1 delivers sharp and distortion-free images, truly elevating your creativity. Unleash your inner vlogger with the Sony ZV-1's advanced video capabilities. The innovative product showcase setting ensures your subjects remain in focus even when displaying items up close. Say goodbye to blurry shots and hello to professional-looking content every time. Never miss a moment with the ZV-1's lightning-fast autofocus system. The real-time IAF and real-time tracking technologies precisely detect and track subjects, guaranteeing sharp focus on faces and eyes, whether it's a person or your furry friend.